Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best Dog Paw Balm is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked items in a dog owner's toolkit, designed to protect and heal your furry friend's sensitive paw pads from the harsh realities of everyday life. Whether it's scorching summer pavements, icy winter sidewalks, or rough terrains that can lead to dryness, cracking, and discomfort, ensuring your canine companion can walk, run, and play with happy, healthy paws. Number 5. Natural Dog Company Paw Soother Balm and Wax. Is your dog's paw pads dry and rough from the cold weather, snow, or salted sidewalks? Our balm provides deep hydration to soothe and comfort their paws after winter walks. Designed for use after outdoor adventures, this balm helps restore moisture to paws exposed to icy conditions and de-icing salts. It's perfect for maintaining healthy-looking paws as part of your daily winter care routine. Regular use of this moisturizer helps keep paw pads naturally soft and flexible. This can improve grip on slippery floors and ensures everyday comfort for your furry friend, no matter their size or activity level. Formulated with nourishing ingredients like coconut oil, mango butter, and calendula, it's safe for dogs who tend to lick their paws. You can trust our pet-safe, non-toxic blend to condition their paw pads effectively. This balm absorbs quickly without leaving a sticky residue. Its smooth texture makes application easy, keeping paws moisturized and comfortable without making a mess on your floors or furniture. Harsh winter conditions can strip moisture from paw pads. This balm helps support hydration during these challenging times, making it perfect for dogs who spend time outdoors in snow, ice, or on salted walkways. Use this balm after outdoor activity to moisturize and condition paws. For added protection before walks, consider pairing it with our other products to create a balanced routine for year-round paw comfort. What we like. If your dog suffers from dry, rough paw pads due to cold weather, snow, ice, or salted sidewalks, this balm is an excellent choice. It provides deep hydration and is formulated with natural, lick-safe ingredients. If you're looking for a fast-absorbing, non-greasy option for daily winter paw care, this balm will help keep their paws comfortable and moisturized without leaving residue. What people say. Awesome product, easy to apply and appears to give some added protection to her little paw pads. Pup no longer tippy toes due to being so cold and uncomfortable. The balm has a pleasant, natural smell, goes on smoothly without being greasy, and my dog didn't mind me applying it at all. I noticed his paws looked less dry and cracked after just a few uses. The stick format makes application clean and easy, no mess. The balm itself is thick and rich, which makes it great for moisturizing and nourishing those rough paw pads. After a few applications over the course of a week, I started noticing a positive change in my dog's paw condition. The dryness and cracking began to improve, and the irritated areas seemed to calm down. Number 4. Forticept Blue Butter Hot Spot Treatment. Is your pet suffering from itchy, irritated skin? Our Blue Butter Hot Spot Gel provides fast relief from discomfort, helping to soothe their skin and stop the scratching. Keep this essential first aid solution on hand for all your pet's skin care needs. It's perfect for treating cuts, rashes, and other minor wounds. This treatment disinfects wounds and creates the ideal environment for healing. It helps prevent skin infections and starts working from the very first application. Our formula is safe and non-toxic for your pet. For best results, prevent licking and scratching by using pet clothing or a cone. Enjoy the Pleasant Time scent, a natural ingredient known for its therapeutic properties. The blue color ensures you can easily see where it's applied. Proudly made in the USA, we stand by our product with a 100% satisfaction guarantee. Give your pet the care they deserve. What we like. For pets experiencing skin irritation, itching, licking, or scratching due to hot spots, pyoderma, or dermatitis, this product is a highly effective solution. It acts as a first aid solution, promoting healing by disinfecting wounds and creating an optimal environment for recovery. If you need a veterinary strength, anti-itch cream that starts working quickly and has a pleasant, natural scent, this is the one to consider. What people say. Used blue butter for less than a week and it's completely gone. This time he had it on both sides, and now his skin is totally cleared up, no red pink dry skin at all. This topical treatment is like a soothing balm for my pet's skin woes, providing rapid relief from itching, redness, and discomfort. The veterinary strength formula tackles everything from yeast infections to ringworm with impressive efficiency. This has worked really well when they first start to pop up, but would not recommend putting it on if they are already inflamed. If you catch it early enough, this stops the inflammation from getting out of control. Number 3. Natural Dog Company Skin and Coat Salmon Oil Chews. Give your dog the gift of healthy skin and a lustrous coat. Our supplement is packed with omega-3s, biotin, and vitamin E to nourish from within, promoting a soft, shiny appearance and maintaining natural moisture balance for all breeds and life stages. Help manage shedding and keep their skin hydrated. Essential fatty acids support normal shedding patterns and skin moisture, ideal for dogs with dull coats or dryness. You'll notice less loose fur and a better coat texture with consistent use. Soothe occasional itchiness and sensitivity. Our blend supports the skin's natural barrier, helping maintain comfort from dryness or environmental factors. These chews keep your dog feeling good and looking great. Support their overall vitality from the inside out. Beyond skin and coat, our formula aids mobility, heart health, and cognitive function. Healthy skin and a shiny coat begin with balanced internal nutrition. No more messy oils or hard pills. These delicious salmon and pea-flavored soft chews are easy to serve and enjoyable for even picky eaters. Make daily supplementation a treat they look forward to. Trust in a vet-formulated product made with the highest standards. Produced in a CGMP-compliant facility, each batch ensures purity, consistency, and reliability. It's a trusted choice for daily skin and coat support. Easily incorporate into their daily routine based on weight. Most pet parents see visible improvements in coat shine, skin hydration, and shedding within 3 to 4 weeks of consistent daily use. What we like. If you're looking to improve your dog's coat health from the inside out, this supplement is ideal. Formulated with omega-3 salmon oil, biotin, and vitamin E, it supports a shiny coat, healthy skin, and normal shedding. If your dog experiences occasional itchiness or you want to support their overall wellness, including mobility and heart health, these tasty soft chews make daily supplementation easy and enjoyable. What people say. My Jack's fur has grown back in 1 month and the hot spots under his arms are healing. My 10-year-old golden husky mix was getting dry spots of skin along the top of her back which caused itching and discomfort. A friend mentioned your product and it eliminated the problem. I love that these multivitamins support Easton's immune system and provide antioxidants, which are great for a high-energy pits guy who's always zooming around the park. Number 2. Lick Safe Dog Paw and Nose Balm. Discover our all-natural balm, crafted with food-grade ingredients for ultimate safety. It's enriched with coconut oil for deep hydration and a delightful scent your furry friend will adore. Don't let winter's harsh elements damage your pet's paws and nose. Our balm provides year-round defense against snow, salt, hot pavement, and dryness, keeping them healthy and comfortable in any season. Whether it's a walk in the park or a hike in the mountains, protect your dog's sensitive paws. Our balm creates a moisturizing barrier against rough terrain, hot surfaces, and extreme weather, ensuring happy adventures. This balm deeply nourishes and repairs dry, cracked paw pads and noses. It soothes discomfort, heals minor irritations, and forms a protective shield against environmental damage, keeping your pet comfortable. Simply apply a small amount to clean paws, nose, or elbows and gently massage. Our quick-absorbing, non-greasy formula is perfect for daily use, ensuring soft, moisturized, and protected paws. While designed for dogs, our gentle balm is also effective for cats, horses, and other animals. Its food-grade ingredients ensure safety for all your beloved companions. What we like. This balm is perfect for pet owners who want comprehensive, year-round paw and nose care for their furry friends. Its 8-in-1 natural blend, including coconut oil and shea butter, provides deep hydration and protection against environmental irritants like road salt, hot pavement, and cold weather. If you have multiple pets, including cats or horses, and are looking for a lick-safe, moisturizing, and repairing balm for sensitive areas, this product offers versatile and effective care. What people say. After only 1 application, my dog's sandpaper paw pads were smooth and moisturized. It is lick-safe, and still stayed after she taste-tested it. The coconut oil formula is safe for licking, which is important because dogs inevitably lick their noses after application. It absorbs well and actually moisturizes instead of just sitting on the surface. The difference is noticeable almost immediately, going from rough and dry to smooth and healthy. This balm works very well and fast. It gave our pet comfort and relief on the spot. Number 1. Dog Paw Care Kit. Keep your furry friend healthy and clean with our natural formula. It provides quick and effective cleaning. Simply massage with the cleaner and wipe with the towel. Our paw cleansers are refined from natural plant ingredients, including coconut extract. They effectively moisturize paws while maintaining pH balance and protecting natural oils, suitable for all pets. This lick-safe balm moisturizes, soothes, protects, and heals all in one. Apply it directly to your pet's paws, nose, or any dry areas needing extra moisture. Provide perfect protection for your dog's nose and paws, especially from heat and cracks. It helps comfort and heal injuries, keeping them comfortable and safe. Take everything you need on the go with this convenient bundle. The lightweight and portable bag helps solve storage and outdoor travel troubles for pet owners. What we like. If you're often on the go and need a convenient way to keep your dog's paws clean and moisturized, this kit is a great solution. It includes a waterless paw cleaner for quick cleanups, a lick-safe paw balm for moisturizing and protection, and a towel, all packed in a portable travel bag. If you prioritize natural ingredients and comprehensive paw care for your dog during outdoor adventures or daily outings, this all-in-one kit offers convenience and protection. What people say. The Leopong kit makes the process so easy. You just add a little water, gently place your pup's paw inside, twist a few times, and the soft silicone bristles do all the work. The cleaner is sturdy but lightweight, and it's easy to rinse out after each use. I love that it comes with the full care kit. It's not just about cleaning but also keeping the paws healthy and moisturized. The formula is very gentle on my dog's already sensitive skin. I appreciate the addition of the little microfiber towel, otherwise I'd be breaking my bank with the amount of paper towels I use already. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.